So, welcome to this channel. My name is Trader Jan, and this is for the market preparation, for the trading preparation, market analysis. Let's see what this day gonna bring. Let's check first the economic calendar. Where is that? Here. If we look at yesterday, was not much happening. Today, um, okay, that's two-star events. Not much to be expected. Tomorrow is a little bit more in the oil space, and on Thursday going to be CPI and non-farm. Okay, that's going to be for the rest of the week. So we can expect actually a week which is very slow, and we saw it today already. But let's focus on what's on hand. So no specific time today where we should avoid trading. So somehow my computer is stopping here. So everything back. We go typical top-down approach as usual. We have our daily view first. Come on, there. Don't need a market profile. And we actually want to have it for some more days rather than only one. So first we check how our locations are. So it was sure that's the daily frame. It doesn't really look at see anything, but the upwards trend kind of is continuing here, especially when there's no special events. But look at this one here. Look at this one where actually lower prices got rejected and the market got pushed up again. There's a little bit of, I guess, resistance to be expected latest here on that level. But let's go into the detail for day trading. I mean, I always like to see the a daily chart. It gives you a little bit of orientation. However, in day trading, as we have seen in the review of the yesterday's day as well, even though the bias was clearly long, good trades would have been made if I would have taken the short-term price action into account. So let's look at the day of yesterday. Would we actually, here we might want to consider our daily profile. Looking at yesterday, I would still keep that little friend here. This one here, I have them in read only. No, oh, yeah, good. So I would actually adopt this one here. That one looks to me more like there's a reaction here. This one here. I would more go towards the value area here. There's an area here, but I don't want to put that market too much. It's already, wow, it's already just 48 ticks between those two. That doesn't feel right to have those ranges too close to each other. Anyhow, they make sense. Now we have the advantage, the day is already open, and we definitely want to adopt that little friend here. This one here. Let's take them out. Let's not micromanage the market here. This is about 100 ticks. So, yep, let's keep them here for the moment. And then we keep the others because they have been outside of the range from yesterday. And we reviewed those already before. I think I need to revisit my... No, I don't need to revisit it. Let's trust your locations because the location setting proved to be not too bad so far. M15. So let's go into a little bit more detail here. Let's look at yesterday. That is a fairly big jump here. And we, yep, define this one here from here. I would say to here. The 20 ticks, a bit long, a bit big. But yeah. So then we got this big one here. We got the value area here. That makes totally sense. And these ones here, they make totally sense as well. If that one here in the middle makes sense, I doubt that one. I guess we just adapt it to our current knowledge, which we have already. So we can take advantage of that. We have here a high volume area, which let's make a little marker there. Because it's only been, no, not that one here. It's only been the European session and the Asia session. So building is not a huge volume, but building that volume so far. Yeah, here. Yeah, I wanted to change that one here, and we have the advantage of having already the daily low here. It's currently trying to break through it. So this low volume area here, that seems to be pretty interesting for the market. And with that, I'm changing that one here to this and taking that out. We have now 7:25, 1 hour before the US market opens. Those are the ranges, those are the areas. This one here, there's so many ranges in between. Yeah, I know, but it just looks better. Okay, then let's go to our normal trading chart, which is a range US chart. And so in principle, the location, we are still long, but I guess today it's more a range market. That's kind of not really long, not really short. It's because what we have ahead of us, if I look at the if we remember the previous days on the daily chart. Yeah, I would more be very careful, would more go into range trading and short-term price action rather than just long or short. Okay, then thanks a lot for those who are listening, if anybody at all, and see you then on the trading floor.